Dude, I can't even get in. I don't know how you got.
Bicycle.
Yeah, I
Like,
clicked
it's
it.
so
There we
dead.
go.
Oh my god, dude. It's dead.
The site's fucked.
In queue.
Hell.
I can't see that.
Baco's still stuck on fucking getting sizes.
I'm out of queue. I just don't know. Oh, there we go.
You don't have like.
It's gonna be a fat queue. That's payment. Nice. Oh, there's an update. Shucks.
They haven't loaded the product yet, or like they haven't loaded stock.
Wait, these updated again? Ethan?
What? No, seller.
Oh.
They haven't updated. Oh, be back. Wait, what? 310? They pushed it back.
Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me.
Wait, no, wait. Now you have more time. Set up.
Oh, I
Oh,
just got
wait, I
one
hit.
deactivated.
Wait.
I hit.
Oh shit.
Oh, me too.
What y'all hit on? For me? Wait, what?
Nebula.
No, I hit on Kinesis.
Wait, Kinesis? It actually worked.
Kinesis, yeah.
Check out.
Well, it said checkmate,
Manual.
so.
Manual. Okay. Sign in. Go. Payment. Review order.
Oh, Akari cooked.
Place order.
Not for me, but it cooked. Oh my god.
Wait, did I hit, Ethan?
What?
Did I hit?
I didn't hit, but Akari. Oh my god.
Out of stock? Oh, fuck.
Yo,
sorry.
Nebula cooked.
me?
Dude, send me accounts. Send me accounts.
Okay.
Oh, wait, they canceled.
Oh my god.
Wait, what?
They canceled a ton.
Oh.
Akari just cooked.
Because I hit for Broomstick and it
Oh
canceled.
my
Really?
god.
Did they drop?
Oh my gosh.
Burr?
Oh my gosh,
Burr?
Shay, I hit two.
Burr?
Three,
Burr.
three,
Let's go.
four,
Let's
five.
fucking
Oh my
go.
gosh.
Let's
Oh my
fucking
gosh.
go.
Oh my gosh.
Let's
Oh my
fucking
gosh.
go.
Holy sh- dude.
Akari,
Dude.
bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Let's
gosh.
fucking go.
I hit every single task.
How many?
Let's go.
For me?
I only had 5 for you because I
For
couldn't
me?
make more.
Let's fucking
Yes.
go. Let's
Dude.
fucking
Oh
go.
my Oh my gosh.
Let's fucking
Oh my
go.
God.
I got all the emails too, I think. Yeah.
Okay, so being ordered.
It's a bunch of dings, Jesus. 5 entries so far.
Alright, well, that's that.
Yeah.
Took L's.
So as you all have seen, I have now taken an L on both the Notre Dunks and the Nike SBs. The L on the Dunks, I didn't expect so much just because I did take a W on the bodegas, but with these SBs, just them being on sneakers, my hopes were pretty low. Now I did run 200 accounts on one TSB, and then I ran a friend's TSB, and I think he had 115. Around half of his accounts got reset, which from all Gmail accounts, I believe, and then out of my 200, I just went through and I checked. 29 of mine got reset. 14 of those being catch-alls, and then the rest being Gmail accounts. So when people talk about like which one lasts longer, it really just depends on your setup. For me, I know for sure. I know the reason why some of these got reset, and it's 100% my fault. So I'm just gonna, invest more into my Nike setup and just make sure everything like that is, really tied down. But let me know how you all did on these drops down below, and I will see you all in the next one.